So Muhammad is asking about how do I know that I had the intention to pray or to read the Quran because he has doubts. Akhi, these doubts are from shaitan. Intention is something that you have in your heart. So now my intention is to take and pick up the pen and write the following questioner's question. Do I say in myself, I'm gonna hold the pen and I'm gonna receive the call? Or do I get thoughts while writing the second question, oops, did I intend to pick up the pen? Did I intend to? No, nobody does this. These whispers about intention is from shaitan. You know what you want to do. You don't verbalize it. When you want to eat a sandwich in front of you, you don't verbalize in your head saying, I intend to eat this sandwich in front of me, and you go and pick it up and eat. You just say Bismillah and eat. Likewise, when you want to pray, you don't verbalize. When you want to make wudu, you don't say, I want to make wudu for prayer and for reciting the Quran and for making tawaf. And if you forgot something, you say, oh, I forgot to mention it in my niyyah, I have to go and make wudu again. No, you don't do this. The moment you go to the toilet, you say Bismillah and you make wudu, that's it, sufficient for all things. Abdullah from